Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla quality control panel gap issues at delivery and what could be causing them based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, buyers may notice uneven panel gaps, misaligned body panels, or inconsistent spacing between doors, hood, trunk, or fenders at the time of delivery. These gaps may be cosmetic and not affect drivability, but they can raise concerns about build quality and long-term durability. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, production period, factory location, and inspection outcomes rather than indicating a universal structural problem. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves manufacturing tolerance and assembly variation. Vehicle body panels are produced and assembled within defined tolerance ranges. Small variations in stamping, welding, or panel positioning can accumulate during assembly, resulting in visible gap differences even though the vehicle meets structural and safety specifications. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year production batch or prior transport handling, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified technician or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific evaluation. Production speed and process adjustments are also documented factors. During periods of high production volume or when manufacturing processes are updated, panel alignment consistency can vary. Temporary process changes, tooling calibration shifts, or workforce transitions may influence cosmetic alignment until processes stabilize. Transportation and handling considerations have also been reviewed. Vehicles may experience minor shifts during transport from the factory to delivery centers. As a possible contributing factor, tie-down points, vibration during shipping, or pre-delivery handling adjustments could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Design and body architecture factors further influence appearance. Certain panel shapes, frameless doors, and large body panels require precise alignment. Small deviations can be more noticeable on minimalist designs with tight visual lines, even when within acceptable tolerances. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include documenting panel gap concerns at delivery, requesting inspection during the delivery process, and scheduling alignment adjustments where applicable. Many panel gap issues can be corrected through adjustment rather than part replacement if addressed early. Reviewed information indicates that panel gap issues at delivery are not universal and often relate to assembly tolerance, production conditions, or handling rather than structural defects. In conclusion, Tesla quality control panel gap issues at delivery are generally linked to manufacturing and assembly tolerance variation, production and handling factors, or design sensitivity rather than compromised vehicle safety. The issue varies by vehicle and production context, and resolution depends on timely inspection and appropriate adjustment. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.